How about 4 more, Jose? Give me 4. Come on, everybody. You're feeling good. Get up and move it.
Woo!
Do whatever you want with those legs, but move them around. Everybody just march on the spot. March it. 4, 3, 2. Just bring those feet together. Press it out. 4, 3, 2. Just take 1 foot back. We got to stretch out those calves, right?
Right.
Stretching out actually the upper part of the calf. Now we're going to bring the foot in and bend. Press the heel down. Press the heel down, Jose. Let's do a, bring it in, bend the back leg. That's right. We'll move into a soleus stretch.
Oh.
All right?
Nice.
Okay, now we're going to tilt the pelvis, drop down. Now we stretch into the hip flexor. I changed the routine. I'm sorry. I should have told you that, eh? You can't hear over there. Now bring your foot in. Have a seat back. You with me, Shelly?
I'm with you, Dave.
All right, and hold it. 4. How many more? And 3. And how many? 2. Take it back. Over to the side. Here we go. Just ease that heel down. First with your leg extended, just stretch into the gastrocnemius. Now bring the foot in slightly, bend, press the heel down, stretching deeper into the calf, the deeper muscles, the soleus. Okay, we're gonna tilt the pelvis and drop down into that hip flexor. You guys ready? Little hamstring stretch, just kind of feel the hamstring lengthen. We're gonna go into the March 3 with a kick. That's your move, you gotta keep going with it, okay? Let's travel side to side with it. Take it over here, give me a kick, bring it on back. Keep going, you're doing a good job, we're warmed up. We'll be right back with more hip hop interval.